Feeling overwhelmed trying to study for your HR certification exam? You're not alone. The good news is, a few simple strategies can make your study time way more effective. I'd like to share a few practical study tips to help you stay organized, retain more information, and actually feel confident on exam day. First, create and follow a study schedule. Don't just study when you have time, plan it. Set a regular time each day to study. When you build a routine, you make steady progress, and it becomes a habit instead of a struggle. Next, be intentional with how you study. Read the material, highlight key concepts, take notes on what you need to remember. But don't stop there. Use flashcards, not just to memorize definitions, but to quiz yourself on how to apply those concepts in real situations. If you're using structured materials like HRCP, complete the self-assessments at the end of each section. These are designed to reinforce the most important concepts and help you check your understanding before moving on. Don't just study something once. Go back and review what you've already covered, again and again if needed. Repetition is what moves information into long-term memory. Leading up to your exam, you should be able to explain key concepts clearly, perform any required calculations, and apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios. If you can't do those 3 things yet, you're not quite ready. Finally, be strategic with your time. Focus on areas that are heavily tested on your exam, and areas where you have less experience or training. That's where your study time will make the biggest impact. Studying for your HR certification doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With a clear plan, consistent routine, and the right strategies, you can absolutely do this. Ready to take the next step? HRCP is here to support you with the tools and guidance you need to succeed on your certification journey. Visit us at hrcp.com.